Hey guys, what is up everybody and welcome to a new video. And this video will be about Amazon Europe, and I want to answer a few questions which have been recently asked, and I decided why not to share this information with you, because if someone's interested in this kind of questions, they probably can find this video helpful. What is the best market for Amazon Europe? Let's say if you're not from Europe, or even if you're from Europe, which market is the best to focus on to kind of maximize your outcome. Second question, what kind of business you have to open, and what are the things to keep in mind while opening a business specifically for Amazon. Third one is taxation. And the fourth question, which also people usually ask, is how much it costs to run the company. So let's start from the first question, and what is the best markets in Amazon Europe? And of course it can vary, depends on your product, and also what is your targeted demographics and all those things. But in general, like, there is like kind of general picture that the best markets in Europe are UK, Germany, and France. So if you from one of those markets, or if you live in one of those markets and you want to do business, just focus on your own market first, because selling in Europe kind of a little bit comprehensive. You have to know how to sell in Europe between different European states, and I have separate video for that. I will leave a link in the description below. So basically, if you from one of those markets first start to sell in your local market, like those UK, Germany, and France, and then when you understand that you reach your maximum capacity, you might think to how to expand, right? How to go to other states of European Union. If you're not from those markets and you want to do business in Amazon Europe, UK will be the best choice for you to start. First of all, because of language. It is English-speaking country, and probably for most of you will be easier to start from there, because you can find all the documentation, you can communicate with people. It's just a little bit easier to start. What type of company you have to open? I mean, again, it depends on country where you are, and this is definitely not financial advice or any sort of advice. It's just I'm sharing with you my experience. So you definitely need to consult with your local authorities or maybe some local consultant. So your probably best solution for you will be to open an LLC company or even solopreneur company, but make sure that you have VAT system integrated with it, because once you're across a certain turnover, you have to be subject to VAT. And then if you want to go to other states of European Union, you also need to deal with VAT situation. And also it's become really sensitive when you want to sell from one country to another. For example, let's say you're in the Czech Republic or maybe Poland and you want to sell to Germany, and there are a couple of situations where selling to Germany can be a little bit tricky. For example, if you sell to Germany from Czech Republic or Poland, you are limited by 10,000 euros, and after that you have to register for German VAT number. Even you don't cross this line of 10,000 euros, but you want to keep your products in Amazon warehouse in Germany, you also have to register for German VAT, and I have again separate video for that. The link will be in the description below. So you kind of need to understand the mechanics, how things works. Start with one market. Just make sure that you can establish good sales in one market, and once you understand the market, once you understand how Amazon works, once you understand what your clients needs, how your product perform, slowly start to go to other markets. Amazon has really nice system called, or procedure called, Pan-European UFBA. So basically you can fulfill all Amazon markets in Europe just through one account. But the thing is, it all comes with legal side of that, and that's where you have to make sure that you report in your taxes in every state of European Union in the right way. How much does it cost to run a company? Again, it can vary from country to country. So let's say if you're a local person and you open company as a solopreneur, you're fine. But if you're a foreigner and you want to sell in European Union, so you basically have to launch a company in European Union, where in certain cases you can be the director of the company. But sometimes you have to hire local person to be employed in this company. And that means that you have extra cost to run the company. From our experience, just minimum running cost of the company comes from salaries, accountant firm, contractors who help to maintain your business. The minimum monthly cost will be between 13 to 1500 euros. I'm not including office or some other expenses. Ask your questions down there. If I see questions I can answer, I will definitely do that. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.